can see there's level there, we're getting level. Okay, so at this point in time, music's playing everywhere.
Today we're setting up some lights and audio for a cocktail function. Doing a fairy light curtain and some movers doing some stars.
We're just going to sign it off. Multi-zone PA system, background system, audio matrix for six zones, a whole lot of ceiling speakers, paging light reception, 2 standalone zones so they can plug in their own music, but it's just a little child's care centre, so they don't need anything too technical, too complex. Local input for this room, so this room is zoned as one. This building is background music. You can separate this room because they hire it out for functions. So we've supplied them with the local input here. So they can plug a mic in and a CD player or another music player. So we've labelled everything, all of these volumes up the top here, the individual controls for these areas here. Then you've got your conference room, which is the one upstairs, and then your separate area for the sleep areas, right?
Okay.
Okay. CD player.
Right.
And then that's the matrix that does all the zoning.
Okay.
There's also Bluetooth on both devices.
Right.
And then local input CD player overrides the Bluetooth. Select your line, so line 1, line 2.
Yeah.
And then you just hit enter. Which will save that location. Line 2 is that, so it's going to all 3 conference rooms. To all 3 zones.
So you can plug it in, switch to local, and then use it through there, where you can turn it down. And then that one is controlled from downstairs. The reason we did it like that, so if you ever have a function up here where you want to bring in external equipment, you've got somewhere to plug it in. So if you want, say, 6 microphones up here, you can do it.
Oh, okay.
Anything you do in this room is local. So if you plug a phone in there or microphone in there, it's on local. But the nice thing is by plugging your mic in there, this will still work. So you can have HDMI sound, and they can still talk over it.